Hey everyone, welcome back to anutrickz. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for you on how to quickly generate CSS variables from your code. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started, this trick can save you a ton of time. Let's dive in. Alright, so here we have a simple HTML structure with a text area for your CSS code, a button to trigger the magic, and an output div to display the generated variables. Now, pay attention to this JavaScript function called generateVariables. Let's break it down to understand how it works. First, we grab the CSS code entered by the user from the text area using document.getElementById, input CSS value. This is the raw material that our function will transform. Next, we define a regular expression const regex to find CSS property value pairs in the input code. This regex pattern ensures we catch valid CSS declarations. Now, the matches variable is crucial. It stores an array of all the matches found in the input code. Each match represents a CSS property value pair. We then take these matches and transform them into CSS variables. For each property value pair, we generate a unique variable name. Finally, the script compiles everything into a neat output format, ready for you to copy and use in your projects. Let me demonstrate. I'll type a few CSS lines in the text area, click Generate Variables, and there you go. It instantly creates a set of variables for us. This not only makes your code cleaner but also saves you a ton of time. Imagine doing this manually for a large project. This script takes care of the heavy lifting for you. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today's quick tutorial. I hope you found this CSS variable generation trick helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next one.